Hey there, fellow travelers. Let me tell you, Boston is a city that's close to my heart. It's a place where history comes alive on every corner, where cobblestone streets whisper tales of revolution, and where the spirit of America's beginnings can still be felt. From its charming neighborhoods to its world-class museums, Boston offers a captivating blend of the old and the new. We'll learn more from the pages of Byways magazine. Boston is a city best explored on foot. Get ready to wander through its historic streets, soaking up the atmosphere and discovering hidden gems along the way. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a sports enthusiast, Boston has something to offer all visitors. So, pack your walking shoes, grab a map, and get ready to experience the magic of Boston. Trust me, this is a city that will stay with you long after you've said your goodbyes. Boston is a city steeped in history, a place where the past is very much present. From its cobblestone streets to its colonial-era buildings, every corner of Boston tells a story of a bygone era. As you stroll through its streets, you'll feel the weight of centuries gone by. The echoes of the past resonate through the architecture and the very air you breathe. It was here that the American Revolution ignited, shaping the destiny of a nation. The spirit of rebellion and the quest for freedom are palpable as you walk through these historic sites. Start your historical journey on the Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile-long path marked by a red brick line. This trail is not just a path, but a journey through time. This iconic trail will lead you past 16 significant landmarks, each with its own story to tell. From the Boston Common to the Bunker Hill Monument, every stop is a chapter in the story of America's fight for independence. You'll see Paul Revere's house, the Old North Church where the famous "one if by land, two if by sea" signal was sent, and Faneuil Hall where the seeds of rebellion were sown. This historic marketplace and meeting hall has been a hub of activity for centuries.
No trip to Boston would be complete without a visit to the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum. Here, history comes alive through interactive exhibits and reenactments. Step back in time to 1773 and relive the events that sparked a revolution. Experience the tension and excitement of that fateful night. You can even dump tea overboard yourself. It's a hands-on way to connect with history and understand the significance of the Boston Tea Party. And don't miss the Boston Massacre site, a somber reminder of the sacrifices made for freedom. This site marks a pivotal moment in the lead-up to the American Revolution, where tensions between colonists and British soldiers erupted into violence.
Beyond its historical landmarks, Boston is home to a wealth of attractions that will captivate your imagination. For a breath of fresh air, head to Boston Common, America's oldest park. Take a leisurely stroll, enjoy a picnic, or simply relax and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Art lovers won't want to miss the Museum of Fine Arts, home to an impressive collection spanning centuries and cultures. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to impressionist masterpieces, there's something to inspire every art enthusiast. And for a unique museum experience, check out the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum, housed in a stunning Venetian-style palace.
And of course, no trip to Boston would be complete without experiencing the city's legendary sports culture.
The Boston Celtics, with their storied history and 17 NBA championships, are a force to be reckoned with on the basketball court. Their legacy is built on decades of excellence, with legendary players like Larry Bird, Bill Russell, and Paul Pierce leaving an indelible mark on the sport. The energy at TD Garden during a Celtics game is electric. And let's not forget the Boston Bruins, a hockey powerhouse that has brought home the Stanley Cup 6 times. The Bruins' fierce competitiveness and dedication to the game have made them a beloved team in Boston. The sight of the black and gold on the ice, the sound of skates cutting through the rink, and the roar of the crowd create an unforgettable experience for any hockey fan. No matter what time of year you visit, there's always a game to catch in Boston. The city's sports calendar is packed with events, from regular season games to thrilling playoffs. Whether it's basketball, hockey, baseball, football, or soccer, Boston offers a diverse range of sporting events that cater to every fan's taste. If you're a baseball fan, a visit to Fenway Park is a must. This iconic stadium, with its historic charm and unique features like the Green Monster, offers a nostalgic glimpse into the past of America's favorite pastime. This historic ballpark has been home to the Boston Red Sox since 1912 and is a true icon of American sports. The atmosphere at Fenway is unlike any other, with fans who are deeply passionate about their team and the game of baseball itself. Grab a Fenway Frank, sing along to Sweet Caroline, and experience the thrill of a game at one of baseball's most beloved stadiums. The traditions at Fenway Park, from the seventh-inning stretch to the enthusiastic crowd participation, make every game a memorable event. But Boston's sports scene goes beyond baseball. Both the NFL New England Patriots and the MLS New England Revolution share Gillette Stadium in nearby Foxborough. Boston is a city that lives and breathes sports. From the bustling sports bars filled with fans to the iconic venues that dot the skyline, the city's love for sports is evident everywhere you look. The energy in the city on game day is palpable, with fans decked out in their team colors and a collective roar that echoes through the streets. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a first-time visitor, the excitement of Boston's sports scene is sure to leave a lasting impression.
And for dessert, you can't go wrong with a slice of Boston cream pie. This dessert is as iconic as the city itself.
This decadent treat features layers of sponge cake, custard, and chocolate ganache. It's a perfect blend of textures and flavors that will leave you wanting more. It's the perfect way to end a meal on a sweet note. Whether you're dining at a fancy restaurant or a cozy cafe, Boston cream pie is a must-try. And if you're looking for something a little different, try a cannoli from one of Boston's many Italian bakeries. These crispy, creamy delights are a testament to the city's vibrant Italian community and are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth.
Planning your Boston adventure tips for an unforgettable trip. Planning a trip to Boston is easy, thanks to the city's excellent public transportation system. The T, as it's known locally, will get you where you need to go quickly and efficiently. Consider purchasing a Charlie card for unlimited rides on the subway and buses.
When it comes to accommodation, Boston offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. From cozy bed and breakfasts to luxurious hotels, you'll find the perfect place to rest your head after a long day of exploring. If you're on a tight budget, consider staying in a hostel or Airbnb.
And don't forget to pack for all seasons. Boston's weather can be unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for anything. Bring layers of clothing, a raincoat, and comfortable walking shoes. And most importantly, come hungry for adventure.
Discover the magic of Boston. Boston is a city that will stay with you long after you've left its charming cobblestone streets behind. It's a place where history, culture, and passion collide beautifully, creating an atmosphere that is both captivating and inspiring to all.
So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Boston adventure today. Explore its historic landmarks, immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and rich history, and savor the flavors of this incredible city. Trust me, Boston is a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return again and again.
We are adding new videos every week featuring the destinations along the highways and byways of North America. Give us a like, and take a moment to subscribe and help support the Byways channel. Also, check the comments section below for a free digital subscription to Byways magazine. Thanks for watching.